Do you have any new products that you want to cover?
Yes. We have and we haven't even talked about beta.
No.
But we have QDs for data centers. We have a thermal gas connect.
I think this one would be a great one to talk about since it's getting ready to be patio season where you're sitting out on the patio and everybody's got those little propane heaters. This particular fitting, if there's an issue when connected, that it actually has a shut off. So actually if you have any type of gas leak, is that correct? Where it will actually melt this portion of the fitting and actually shut off. So that way you don't have any exposed propane. You're going to see these on those little patio heaters outside of the marketplaces. You'll see these on the fryers as well.
Gas grills.
Gas grills. They come with the application card in multiple languages. We sell these as sets and individual units because if you had an issue, you're going to have to replace this. I would say it's about a year and a half old. Not quite 2 years old.
That's a really great product, especially from a safety perspective. Last thing you want is a bunch of propane gas, leaking out into the air, especially if you're an outdoor restaurant and you have those heaters, like you said, or a grill, around the family or anything like that. So really cool safety product there. What is the name of that item?
This is going to be our thermal gas coupler. You can find that on the website under the thermal gas. We actually offer 3 different sizes of this fitting. The ones that I'm showing here are one of our larger sizes. This is the 1/2 inch. So we go quarter, 3/8 and a half.
Yeah.
Yes.
Not too many quarter. We just stock the 3/8 and a half.
3/8 and a half, which is the most popular size.
Okay, well, we'll have to talk later about proposing those into Grainger sometime.